Hi, my name is Jerry and welcome to Shine Talk. Now, if you're watching this, you probably know what it feels like to be stuck. Not just a little stuck, but truly stuck on your creative journey. The stress and frustration that sits heavy on your chest, the never-ending questions that seem to have no answers, the self-doubt that whispers you're not good enough or you don't have what it takes. You're maneuvering in foggy landscape and you can't see the path forward. The uncertainties that doesn't come with immediate answers, and you're trying to walk on unstable ground.
If you're in your 40s, 50s or 60s and you want to start a YouTube channel, maybe to escape the corporate hamster wheel or to have some type of creative outlet, or perhaps you have a story to tell or a product to to sell. You know what I'm talking about. You want this, you really do. But somewhere along the way, you got stuck.
You're going round in circles. Maybe you're over-preparing, over-perfecting. Maybe you're afraid to just push through and take action on the difficult stuff like writing scripts, recording yourself, editing, or even uploading your videos.
So you tell yourself you need to wait. When you have every answer to every question, when everything is perfectly aligned, when you have every corner covered.
So you avoid doing the difficult things. And instead you spend time on what you think is productivity. You fall down the rabbit hole on YouTube, watching endless hours of tutorials on how to create a channel, how to grow a channel, traps to avoid, what you need to do. And you research the perfect studio setup, the $2,000 camera, the professional microphone, the studio lights. You compare equipment reviews and you bookmark everything and you take notes. And you still keep telling yourself it's productive, that you're making progress, that you're getting closer. I know this because I did the same thing. I felt I needed everything to be perfect. I felt I needed to have every piece in the puzzle before I could start. So back in 2024, I bought an $800 camera, $250 microphone, because if I had those things, then I'd be ready. But you know what happened? Nothing. I was still feeling unprepared, still not ready, but now I had this expensive equipment staring back at me. And that created even more pressure. Pressure that pushed me further away from feeling ready and further away from taking action. And this video you're watching right now, it's a testament, both as an introduction to my channel, but also as proof to my inner perfectionist and inner critic that they were wrong. Because I'm sitting here right now with my trusty old iPhone and a microphone stuck to a fork, and I'm doing it regardless of how I feel and what I think. The truth is that you're standing still. Hours turn into days, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and you constantly question everything. You feel far behind everyone else who is already creating, and you feel like you're not able to take any actionable steps toward a productive and creative journey. Maybe you feel too old or too late to the game. Maybe you question your studio equipment. Maybe you feel too inexperienced, or you lack the polished quality that you see everybody else have. But at the end, you never feel ready, and you keep waiting for that moment where everything feels perfect.
But that perfect moment, it doesn't seem to come, does it?
If you feel like this, I want to say something important. You are not alone. We are thousands upon thousands of people who feel exactly like this, who struggle with the same limiting beliefs about ourselves and our journeys with YouTube. The same fears, the same doubts, the same creative blocks. If you can resonate with this, I think Shine Talk is the channel for you. Because I come from a background with these struggles. A background with failed YouTube projects that never saw the light of day.
I deemed myself unfit, undeserving of having my own YouTube channel. And I based it either upon my looks, my voice, or my inexperience.
You see, I think YouTube is very keen on showing the winners more than the losers. And I get that. I also get that the YouTube content creators and the YouTube growth creators mean well. They're trying to help. But the backside of the golden coin isn't always coming into the light.
Because YouTube is filled with dead channels. Channels that were once filled with hope, with dreams, with a vision of a creative future.
Channels that uploaded 3 to 5 videos and then they go silent. Or channels that never released any videos at all. The ideas are still sitting out there somewhere in a draft form, half-written scripts, footage never uploaded or even recorded. And the reasons to why are many. Maybe life kept them from going further. Family obligations, work pressure, health issues, things we can't always control. But more often, maybe they started to doubt themselves and their journey. Maybe they became tired of constantly feeling behind or constantly feeling overwhelmed by the whole process. Maybe they thought everyone else seemed to know what they were doing while they were still fumbling in the dark. These thoughts and emotions are devastating for a creative process. Feeling torn between where you think you need to be and where you actually are, that gap can feel enormous sometimes, unbridgeable. And on top of that, time becomes an enemy, the pressure of time. The thought that every day you're not creating, you're falling further behind, that everyone else is moving forward while you're standing still or moving slow, that you're running out of time to make this work. About a year ago, something changed for me.
And I finally understood something, that most of my obstacles were created by me.
I put too much meaning behind the negatives that overshadowed the positives. Every small setback felt like proof I wasn't meant to do this. Every self-critique felt like confirmation that I wasn't good enough. Every comparison to other creators felt like evidence that I was too far behind. But those were stories I was telling myself. Mental barriers I had built so high I couldn't see over them anymore. And that's the thing about going through change. It's a process. Things take time when you don't know where to look, if you don't have a roadmap, when you don't have someone showing you the way. That's why it's so important for me to create this channel, to help others who are in the same space I was over a year ago. Because I've been where you are. I know what it feels like to be stuck, to feel like you're not enough, to feel like you'll never figure this out. But I did figure it out, not because I'm talented or special, but because I stopped waiting for that perfect moment and started to take imperfect action. And you can too. So what is Shine Talk? This channel is about the real life of content creation. It's about changing your perspective, maybe altering the perception you might face or have on your journey. My idea is showing you the doors and what's behind them, and it's up to you to walk through those doors. But you don't have to do it alone. I hope to create a community. A place where we can support one another. A place where we can help answer the most honest questions and struggles content creators might face on their first critical 6 to 12 months. Because those early months, that's when it's hardest. That's when most people quit. When the doubts are loudest and the progress feels slowest. If this video resonates with you, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your story. Where are you on your creator's journey? What's holding you back? What questions do you have? You can also contact me through my email that's in my bio. Hit that like button so I can reach out to more like-minded people that find themselves in a similar situation.
Oh, by the way, if I just popped onto your YouTube feed right now, I'm not sure if the YouTube algorithm will send you this video again. So by hitting that subscribe button, make sure that you won't miss what comes next.